Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi, Mark. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well. I had a busy weekend. I spent time with my family.
Oh, that's nice. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. I live with my parents and my younger sister. What about you?
I live with my parents too, and I have two older brothers.
That's cool. Are your brothers still living at home?
No, they don't. One of them is married and lives with his wife and two kids. The other one works in another city, so he has his own apartment.
I see. So it's just you and your parents at home.
Yes, it is. And sometimes my grandma comes to visit. She usually stays for a week or two.
That's sweet. I like when my grandparents visit too. They always bring homemade cookies.
Same here. My grandma loves to cook. She makes the best soup and cookies.
Nice. So, can you tell me more about your family?
Sure. My dad is a teacher. He teaches history at a high school. My mom works at a bank. She helps people with their accounts. What about your parents?
My dad is a mechanic. He fixes cars. He really loves his job. My mom is a nurse. She works at the hospital.
That's great. Nurses work so hard. Your mom must be very kind.
Yes, she is. She always helps people. Even at home, she takes care of everyone.
Oh, that's lovely. What about your sister? You said she's younger.
Yes, her name is Emma. She's 13 years old and goes to middle school. She loves drawing and painting.
That's a nice hobby. Is she shy or talkative?
She's very talkative at home. She always tells me about her day, her friends, and everything she draws.
Sounds like you two are close.
Yes, we are. I help her with homework, and sometimes we watch cartoons together. How about your brothers? What are they like?
My oldest brother, Adam, is 30. He's very serious and works in an office. He's married and has two children. The other one, Sam, is more fun. He loves music and plays the guitar.
Do you see them often?
I see Adam almost every weekend because his kids come to play at our house. Sam visits once a month because he lives far away.
Do you play with Adam's kids?
Yes, they're so cute. One is 5 and the other is 3. I read them stories and sometimes we play with blocks and dolls.
That sounds fun. I like kids too. I have two cousins who are small like that. When they come over, we play games together.
Oh, you have cousins. How big is your extended family?
Pretty big. My dad has two brothers and one sister, and they all have children. So I have 6 cousins in total.
Wow, that's a big family. I only have 4 cousins, 2 from my mom's side and 2 from my dad's side.
Do you meet them often?
Not really. They live in another country, so we only meet during holidays, like in summer or at Christmas.
Ah, I understand. Speaking of holidays, do you have any family traditions?
Yes, we do. Every year on New Year's Eve, we all eat dinner together. We make special food, and after dinner, we play games and watch a movie.
That sounds really nice. We have a tradition too. Every Sunday, my family eats lunch together. My grandparents come over and we eat and talk for hours.
That's beautiful. Family time is important.
Yes, I agree. It helps us stay close.
Do you have a favorite person in your family?
I think it's my grandpa. He always tells funny stories from when he was young. I love listening to him.
That's cute. My favorite is probably my mom. She's always there for me. She listens when I'm sad and helps me with everything.
Moms are the best.
Yes, they are. Do you ever help your mom at home?
Yes, I do. I wash the dishes, clean my room, and sometimes help cook dinner. On weekends, I help my dad clean the car.
That's very helpful. At home, I help my mom with cooking and doing the laundry. I also clean the living room.
Good for you. What's your favorite family activity?
I think it's watching movies together. Every Saturday night, we pick a movie, make popcorn, and watch together.
We do the same thing. Sometimes we also play board games after the movie.
That sounds fun. What kind of games do you like?
We play Monopoly, Uno, and sometimes simple card games.
Nice. We love Uno too. It's easy and fun.
True. I always lose, though.
Me too. My dad always wins.
So, do you have family dinners every day?
Yes, we do. At 7 p.m., we all sit together and eat dinner. We talk about our day and share stories.
Same here. Dinner time is when we all talk and laugh.
That's nice. Some people eat in front of the TV, but I like sitting at the table and talking.
Me too. It feels more like family time.
Yes. Do you ever travel with your family?
Yes, once a year we take a trip. Last year we went to the mountains. We went hiking and had a picnic.
Sounds great. I traveled to the beach with my family last summer. We swam, played volleyball, and ate ice cream.
Perfect summer. I love the beach too.
Me too. Family trips are always special.
Yes, they are. I always take lots of photos.
Same. I keep them in a photo album.
Old school style. I like that.
Yeah. Do you think family is important?
Definitely. Family gives us love, support, and happy memories.
I agree. Even when we fight, we still care about each other.
Yes, that's true. Every family has ups and downs, but love is always there.
Well said, Mark.